And then, of course, the expert pies, which I think are heavily slept on when it comes to M1 Finance. They have 7 different categories of portfolios that are completely management fee free to invest in. You have general investing, you have plans for retirement, which is target date retirement funds. These are funds that actually change their allocation over time. So you basically, I'll show you how it works. You go over here, you type in or you select what year you plan on investing in or retiring in, and then it's going to give you an aggressive, conservative, or moderate portfolio for a target retirement date of 2060 or whatever you put in. So if you're looking to passively invest for retirement, you can put your entire portfolio on autopilot with the automated features of M1 Invest. And if you wanted to, put that money into a TDF. That way you don't even have to think about it, and you know that it's being reallocated on your behalf as you get closer to retirement. They have a whole category here called responsible investing if you're into any type of ESG investing. They have income earners, which are basically focused on deriving income from your portfolio. Hedge fund followers is really cool. I'll show you that in a second. And then they have stock and bond portfolios if you want to keep it simple, and then a couple of other strategies. So for hedge fund followers, if we click in here, you can follow the strategies of Berkshire Hathaway, of ICANN Capital, of Pershing Square. So if you wanted to basically follow their portfolios based on their regulatory filings, this is what these portfolios are made to do. And then lastly, you can create watch lists right within the M1 Finance research component. I personally have not done this yet, but if you are, screening through a lot of stocks and looking to keep track of them right within the platform on mobile or desktop, you can make these watch lists.